Okay, right, because I'm running 3 diesel heaters, this is what I'm about to do. As you can see, I've got a pump already in the middle of a bottle. I'm going to use this stuff, which comes with an activator. Yeah, it's liquid silicone rubber. So I'm going to mix that up. It's supposed to take about something like 8 to 10 minutes to dry, but that all depends on what temperature it is. I'll let you know what the results are. Bye for now. As you can see, I haven't finished yet. I've set the pump in liquid rubber, and with a roll of lead, I've now wrapped it up in lead. I'm now going to put that in another tub and fill the whole lot up with silicone and see where we go from there. Okay. So this is the end video of the diesel pump set in rubber, then wrapped in lead, then in another container filled up with silicone. And we have, if I shut my mouth, 55 decibels. I compare that to my other one, is 87. The one I've got on my cat flap. They really do bang away. So, shut up again. Let me come a foot away. There we are. 2 foot away. 50 decibels. That's good enough because I can't hear it over that fan now at all. Job done.